Emergency vehicle names: ambulance. Take sick or injured people to the hospital. Can you hear the sound of ambulance? Fire truck brings firefighters to stop fires. Listen to the sound of fire truck. Police car helps catch bad guys and keeps people safe. Here is the sound of police car. Rescue helicopter flies to rescue people quickly. Listen to the sound of rescue helicopter. Tow truck moves broken cars. Can you hear the sound of tow truck? Emergency medical van, like an ambulance for special help. Here is the sound of emergency medical van. SWAT truck brings special police for dangerous missions. Listen to the sound of SWAT truck. Highway patrol car keeps highways safe and clear. Can you hear the sound of highway patrol car? Rescue boat saves people in water emergencies. Here is the sound of rescue boat. Disaster response vehicle helps during floods or earthquakes. Listen to the sound of disaster response vehicle.